Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a gorgeous 2019 Scout 355 LXF. Starting off here in the cockpit, as we enter the boat to starboard, we've got a really nice transom walk-through with a closable and lockable door, great for keeping small dogs or kids safely in the cockpit. The boat is powered by triple Mercury 350 Verados. Those are inline 6 supercharged engines with joystick piloting as well. We also have a nice full walk across along the transom so we can easily access both sides of the boat. Here at the stern, we have a really large live well, double wide stern seat with a high backrest that comfortably seats 2 adults. Stows away really nicely and also provides a padded bolster if you're doing any fishing off the back end. Really large access to our systems. Plenty of real estate down here for doing any work or maintenance items. All finished out. Great fit and finish, really easy to access everything. This boat does come with SeaKeeper, which is a gyro stabilizer system. On the deck, we have fish boxes on both sides, in addition to a patio door. And we've also got a ladder that engages right there, so you can get in and out of the boat really easily. This area has cup holders right here, and you can just close off this space when it's not in use. We've got an aft-facing seat with storage beneath, so we've got a great conversation area in the cockpit. Phenomenal hardtop from Scout. Rocket launchers along the back. We have JL audio speakers, both fore and aft, built into the hardtop. Really sleek design. Trash receptacle beneath the helm seat here. At the helm, we have a triple wide helm seat. Each seat has its own adjustable bolster and then adjustable armrests on the exterior portions of the seat. Center mounted steering wheel that's adjustable. Joystick controls from Mercury with autopilot and skyhook. Of course, digital throttle and shift. We have trim tabs with indicators, digital start and stops, and air conditioning at the helm. We've got triple touch screens from Garmin. Really nice, large, fully enclosed glass windshield with ventilation. Again, JL audio speakers forward in the helm area, all digital switching up here. VHF's already installed. Also got a really comfortable and very accommodating cabin on the 355 LXF. The dinette area converts to a berth, so it's good for overnighting. You've got a head and a sink as well. Refrigerator. And then forward in the bow, huge chase lounge forward of the console. Very comfortably seats 2 large adults. You have armrests on both sides. Notice how the seat is contoured for lower back and lumbar support. We've got storage in this space as well, the designated space for the boarding ladder. And then here in the bow, a lot of room for multiple people to sit, including a lot of lounge space as well. We've also got storage on both sides of the boat. And then this table right here is electrically actuated, so it raises and lowers by the push of a button located right here. So great for any alfresco dining or cocktailing, but you can also raise this table to be flush with the cushions and convert this entire space into a really nice sun pad. Again, great sound systems from JL Audio, a total of 4 speakers here up in the bow with our remote control to the port side. Cup holders, rod holders forward as well. And of course, we've got a remote controlled windlass anchor with foot pedals up on the foredeck, in addition to your controls at the helm. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. If you have any questions or interest in Scout 355 LXF or any of our other boats, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com and always check out our store's Facebook page. Again, I'm Carl Anderson. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.